Hello guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add rules in Asana portfolios. Rules in Asana are essentially automations that help streamline your project management workflow, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks and ensure consistency across your projects. There are a powerful feature that can save you a lot of time and help maintain organization within your team. Portfolio rules are especially useful if you're managing multiple projects at once and want high-level updates without manually checking each project. To get started, you'll first need to open the specific portfolio to which you want to add rules. Once you're in the right place, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where the magic begins. You'll see a button labeled Customize. Clicking on this button will open up a range of customization options for your portfolio. Next, within the customization settings, you'll find an option for rules. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where you can manage your existing rules and add new ones. In this tutorial, we're focusing on adding new rules. This is also where you can review or disable rules later if your workflow changes. Once you're in the rules section, you'll notice an Add button, which is your gateway to setting up new automations. Click that, and you'll be presented with a couple of options. You can either start using a template rule or create your own from scratch. Templates are a great way to get started if you're new to this feature, as they offer pre-designed automations for common tasks. Simply choose a template that aligns with your needs, and Asana will guide you through the setup process, making it easy to customize the rule to fit your specific project requirements. Templates are ideal for standard processes like status updates, progress tracking, or flagging projects that need attention. If you prefer a more tailored approach, creating your own rule from the ground up is equally straightforward. Asana provides a user-friendly interface where you can define your triggers and actions. The trigger is an event that sets the rule in motion, like a task being marked complete, for example. The action is what you want to happen automatically in response. This could be as simple as moving the task to another section or notifying a team member via a comment. At the portfolio level, actions can help surface risks early, such as alerting stakeholders when a project goes off track. And just like that, you're set. Whether you decide to use a template or build a rule yourself, the end result is an automation that makes your portfolio management in Asana more efficient and less prone to human error. Asana's rule feature is an intuitive way to enhance your project management by taking care of mundane tasks, so you and your team can focus on what truly matters, achieving your goals. Start with one or two simple rules, monitor how they perform, and gradually expand as your confidence grows. I hope this tutorial has made the process clear for you and that you're now ready to start integrating more automation into your Asana portfolios. Let me know in the comments what kind of portfolio rules you're planning to build, or if you'd like a follow-up video with real-world examples. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.